Welcome back to Amazing Quiz. Before starting, please subscribe to the Amazing Quiz channel for more exciting quizzes. Are you ready to check your IQ score? There are 30 questions in this test and you have 10 seconds to answer each of them. For every correct answer you get 1 point. Don't forget to count your score and share your results in the comments at the end of the video. Are you ready? Then let's begin. What kind of fish is Nemo in the 2003 computer animated film Finding Nemo? Do you know the full form of PM? What is mainly the color of a stop traffic sign? How many eyes does a cyclops have? What is the sweet substance made by bees? What is the most common fruit used to produce wine? Which of these is a breakfast food staple? Which appliance is used for cooking? What must you do to water in order to make pasta? Butter can be found in which of these food groups? What is the coldest continent on Earth? With great power comes great. What surface do baristas draw? Which of these animals is the slowest? At less than 1 square kilometer, what is the smallest country in the world? What does IQ stand for? What do omnivorous animals eat? What products does Apple not manufacture? How many faces are there in a single die? Which month has only 28 days, and every 4 years has 29? What food does the giant panda usually eat? What company was founded by Jeff Bezos? Which restaurant chain is the most visited in the world? What is dyslexia? What holiday is celebrated by playing jokes and hoaxes? What animal is the fastest land animal on Earth? What is the name of the process by which plants convert sunlight into oxygen? Food is digested in which part of the body? Which company's slogan is Eat Fresh? What Dutch beer comes in a famously green bottle?